guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the good old 240. I wanted to fix whatever noise I was hearing last time I drove it. I still haven't drove it since. I think it's something in the front suspension. That's why I ended up taking off the driver's side wheel, as you saw. I just wanted to check on that, see if we can get that fixed and then go for a drive. I really want to get this thing washed. It is filthy, like disgusting. I don't think I've ever had a car be that gross. But that's what we're working on today. Let's do it. Alright, so I just shook the wheel a little bit, and I don't know if you can see that, but if you look right here while I'm shaking it, you can see the whole coilover moving, which leads me to believe that this might be too raised up, so there's not enough thread engagement, making this whole thing kind of move. Like, that's definitely not good, so I'm gonna try to mess with it. Alright, so I've been messing with a bunch of things under the car, and I can't seem to figure out what the noise is, so I'm gonna throw the wheel back on and try to take it for a spin and see if I still hear it. And if I do, then we're gonna come back in and try to figure it out again, I guess. Alright, we're gonna take this thing to the car wash and see if we fix this noise. Nope, I still hear the noise. Wouldn't it be a shame? The two crustiest dollar bills. I'm surprised it took that. Come on. Oh, come on. Dude, come on. Just take the damn dollar. Thank you. Hey, I don't see much water. Alright guys, just picking up the camera now. It's been a minute. I kind of was just tinkering with things and I ended up fixing the issue, which is kind of sick. It ended up just being the strut top hat bolt that was just a little loose and it was just causing it to clunk around. I gotta get around this dude. Hopefully I don't get in an accident here. Anyways, yeah, that was just the issue. So we're all good now. Car drives great. I'm not worried about any noises anymore. I'm kind of just cruising around. I don't really have anything else planned for today, so maybe we'll go drifting or something. New taillights. Got some gas, we're good. Right on. Just get a bunch of speed going back. Because my driveway still has snow in it. I don't really know where I'm going, I'm kind of just driving, so I guess we'll see what happens. I was gonna swing in on that one until I saw the car. I guess we'll just send it either way. Hopefully they don't care. I don't think they care. I'm gonna go for a faster entry here. Yeah, they like it. All right, we're good. She didn't like that one. This place is like pretty, there's a lot of cars going by, so. That's it, I'm gone. I'm leaving. Car might be pulling to the left a little bit. Not 100% sure, but it's a Subaru just chilling there. Alright. Okay, so I was on picture mode, so I probably took like 5 pictures there, but I just got followed by a cop and I ended up here at this gas station. So I'm going to find a spot that I can drift at without too many people there. So let's fucking do it. check the tires. That's what we'll do. Oh, we're fine, dude. We're fine. Nah, they're getting pretty bad. I don't feel any cord, but they're pretty low. Little slide. I don't know what I could have really held there, so. Man, what was that? It smells like poop. Like actual poop. That was so bad, dude. That was a little better, more chaotic though. I gotta chill with my hands. I can see myself throwing my hands everywhere and I don't like it. I gotta get smoother, you know what I mean? Just drive by slowly. It's kinda awkward. Oh my god, now we gotta fucking turn back around. You guys see that fucking angle though? Like no rear-wheel drive car that doesn't have angle can do that. Like that's front-wheel drive shit, you know? Oh, is this a fucking roundabout? Yeah, it is. There's someone outside right there. Definitely pissed. Wasn't me though. Yeah, we should probably get out of here. Yeah, that was too close for comfort. That was it. I'm done. I'm scared for the day. That was enough excitement. This turn's fun. Not when you hit it that bad at the start though. Again, dude, with the hands, I gotta chill out. A little tire check. Oh nice, they're like completely bald now. That's good. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Check out the new taillights, by the way. I don't know if I pointed them out earlier, but I think they came out sick. Thanks for watching.